Never ako umorder ng salted egg sa Only Wings kasi alam ko madi-disappoint lang ako kasi team creamy saucy ako parate. With the exemption of yung salted egg ng Frankie's Kaya naman pag salted egg chicken wings sa bahay ko na lang parating luluto and hindi naman sa pagmamayabang besties. Napakasarap. For your chicken wings marinade, garlic powder, onion powder, Spanish paprika, salt, pepper, and buttermilk. Optional lang naman yan. Refrigerate for 1 to 3 hours. Better if overnight. Same seasoning lang din minus the pepper dito sa flour natin. Deep fry natin to medium heat 8 to 10 minutes. Rest for 5 to 10 minutes, then double fry. To your saucepan, nagmelt lang tayo ng butter. Add garlic, chilies, at saka curry leaves. Pwede na kahit anong herbs yung available dyan sa inyo. Then add your salted egg. Once incorporated, saka natin ilagay yung cream. Nag-add ako ng honey for sweetness. And of course, salt and pepper. And ayan na. Sobrang versatile pa rin itong sauce na to kasi pwede siya sa shrimp or sa pork. Pero ang sarap niya sa chicken wings. Salty, savory, sweet, spicy din, and napakamalinamnam. Deep, creamy, saucy, salted egg for evs. Kaya gawin nyo na rin, besties. Enjoy!
Pagdating talaga sa salted egg, team creamy. With the exception of Frankie's kasi gusto ko yung powdered salted egg nila.